こんにちは、うさこです。Hello, I'm Usako. 今日はコンビニで使う日本語を勉強しましょう。Today, let's learn Japanese phrases you'll hear and use at a convenience store. 日本へ旅行するとき、とても役に立ちますよ。じゃあ、始めましょう。These phrases are very useful when traveling in Japan. Let's hop to it. Let's enter the store. いらっしゃいませ。Welcome. You'll hear this everywhere in Japan. Restaurants, cafes, convenience stores, department stores, everywhere. The good news, you don't need to reply. A smile is enough. Shopping. どれにしようかな? Which one should I pick? たくさんありすぎて迷っちゃうな。There are so many options, I can't decide. Japanese convenience stores are amazing. You can buy snacks, drinks, bento, onigiri, or desserts. Now let's go to the register. At the register. いらっしゃいませ。こんにちは。Welcome, hello. 袋はご利用ですか? This means, do you need a bag? Since Japan reduced plastic bag usage, you'll hear this all the time. You can answer with お願いします Yes, please. Or 大丈夫です No, thank you. You'll use 大丈夫です a lot in Japan. Repeat after me. 袋はご利用ですか? お願いします。大丈夫です。温めますか? This means, would you like it heated? Convenience stores often ask this when you buy bento, pasta, or curry. Japanese convenience stores are amazing. They can heat it up for you in just a few seconds. Again here, you can answer with お願いします Yes, please. Or 大丈夫です No, thank you. Repeat after me. 温めますか? お願いします。大丈夫です。お箸はご利用ですか? Or they might say, お箸はお付けしますか? This means, would you like chopsticks? If you're buying noodles, onigiri, or bento, the staff will often ask this. Don't worry if you don't catch every word. If you hear お箸, they're probably asking about chopsticks. If you're buying spaghetti, they may ask, フォークはご利用ですか? Do you need a fork? Or if you're buying a yogurt or dessert, they may ask, スプーンはお付けしますか? Do you need a spoon? You can answer with お願いします or 大丈夫です。Now let's practice. お箸はご利用ですか? お箸はお付けしますか? Now let's pay for the product. 850円です。It's 850 yen. The screen usually shows how much you need to pay. クレジットカードでお願いします。Credit card, please. But in real life, most Japanese people don't answer with a full sentence. We would say カードで by card or スイカで if you're paying with Suica. Japan used to be famous for cash payments, but these days many stores accept credit cards, IC cards, and mobile payments. ポイントカードはお持ちですか? This means, do you have a points card? Many stores in Japan have loyalty cards. You can answer with either あります I have one or ありません I don't have one. レシートはご利用ですか This means, would you like a receipt? You can answer with お願いします or 大丈夫です。ありがとうございました。Thank you. ありがとうございます。Thank you. Congratulations! You survived the Japanese convenience store interactions. Useful phrases we learned today are お願いします。大丈夫です。ありません。あります。Okay, let's try some of these phrases. Imagine you're buying lunch at a Japanese convenience store. いらっしゃいませ。袋はご利用ですか？大丈夫です。温めますか？お願いします。お箸はご利用ですか？お願いします。850円です。ありがとうございました。Let's test out what you have learned. Question 1. 袋はご利用ですか？ What's the convenience store staff asking? A. Would you like chopsticks? B. Do you need a bag? C. Would you like a receipt? The answer is B. Do you need a bag? Question 2. 温めますか？ What's the staff asking? A. Would you like it heated? B. How would you like to pay? C. Do you have a points card? The answer is A. Would you like it heated? Question 3. お箸はお付けしますか？ What's the staff asking? A. Would you like chopsticks? B. Would you like a bag? C. Would you like a spoon? The answer is A. Would you like chopsticks? How many questions did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. Today we learned 袋はご利用ですか？温めますか？お箸はご利用ですか？レシートはご利用ですか？今度日本のコンビニに行ったらぜひ聞いてみてくださいね。Listen out for these phrases next time you visit a Japanese convenience store. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to Usako's Japanese lesson. Thanks for watching. またね。